Hello and welcome. We are discussing PYQs of LCM and the theme is remainder problems related to LCM. So see this problem, okay? It says what is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any one of the number 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves remainder 3. So let's say x is that number. X is a number which is divided by 6, 9, 12, 18 and 15, and in every case a remainder obtained is 3. Okay, now x when divided by 6 remainder is 3. Okay. So to understand this, let me discuss one more simple example. If I divide 19 by 6, 6 threes are 18, a remainder is 1. We divided 19 by 6 and remainder was what this remainder 1 indicates. It means if I subtract this 1 from the dividend which was 19, so if I subtract 1 from 19, I'll get 18. So subtraction of remainder from the given number will produce a multiple of the divisor. So if I subtract 3 from x, so this result will produce a multiple of 6 as well as 9 as well as 12 as well as 18 as well as 15. So this x minus 3 must be equal to LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Okay, now tell me what is the LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18? How to calculate it? So funda is very simple. You can see it will be 180. So x minus 3 will be equal to 180. 180 is divisible by 6, by 9, by 12, by 15, by 18. Okay. Now, but if I solve this further, I'll be getting x equal to 183. I'll be getting a 3-digit number. I am not getting a 4-digit number. I am not getting a number which is near 1000. Okay. So in this case, what you can do, just multiply this LCM with any number such that this result is near 1000 and greater than it. Okay. So see, I know x minus 3 from here will be equal to k into 180. So I have to multiply or I have to assume such a value for k so that this result k into 180 is greater than 1000. Okay. So if I put k equal to 10 here, so it becomes, if I put k equal to 10 here, so it becomes 1, just a second guys. It should not be 180, just a second. It is k should not be 10, right? Because if I put k to be 10, so it becomes 1800, which is very higher value than 1000. So I need to think. So if I put k equal to 6, so 6 into 180 it is. Now x minus 3 will comes out to be equal to 1080. See, 18 6 are 108. Okay, 60. So from here x comes out to be equal to 1080 plus 3 and your final answer is 1083. Hence answer is option C. I hope class this is clear to you. So this is how we can solve this question with the help of LCM. Now why I multiplied this thing with k here, because if I just assume LCM, the value that we are getting here was very less than 1000. So to think or to reach around 1000, so we need to multiply this LCM with such a number so that the result is near to 1000 and greater than it, and by hit and trial we got that value 1080 and final answer is 1083. Now this is one way of dealing with it. What else we can do? See, a remainder is 3 in every case. It means if I subtract 3 from here, then the resultant must be divisible by each of these given numbers. But you will find out this 1060 is not divisible by 9 completely, hence option A cannot be the right choice. Now, similarly, subtract 3 from 1073. If you subtract 3 from 1073, you will get 1070. Again, if this is the right answer, then it should be divisible by 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now I can see this number is not divisible by 9 completely, hence option B cannot be the right choice. Okay, now go for this option C, 1083. Subtract 3 from here, you will get 1080. Now if this is the right answer, then this number should be divisible by 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Yes, if you use divisibility rules of these numbers here, you will find out this number is divisible by 6 as well as by 9 as well as by 12 as well as by 15 as well as by 18. For 6, number should be divisible by 2 and 3. It is 1080. This is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. For 9, sum of all the digits must be divisible by 9. Yes, it is. For 12, number should be divisible by 4 as well as by 3. So this number is divisible by 4 as well as by 3. For 15, number should be divisible by 3 as well as by 5. This number is ending with 0, so definitely the number is divisible by 5 as well as by 3. And similarly, for divisibility rule of 18, what you can do, the number should be divisible by 9 as well as by 2. We have proved it already. So the right answer of this question is option C. I hope guys this is clear. Let's move on. Oh, this is a very same kind of problem that was there in the examination in the year 2020. Same problem. Instead of 3 over here, in this case we are getting a remainder 2. Okay, so what is the least 4-digit number? What is the least 4-digit number which when divided by 3, 4, 5, 6? So let's say x is a number which when divided by 3, by 4, by 5 and by 6 is leaving a remainder 2 in each case. It means if we subtract 2 from this number, then the result should be divisible by 3 as well as by 4 as well as by 5 as well as by 6. So this number is divisible by all of these, meaningly this number should be the LCM of all of these. Okay, now if we calculate the LCM, so x minus 2 will comes out to be equal to LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So x comes out to be equal to 62, which is what? Which is a 2-digit number. I want 4-digit number, so I have to multiply this LCM with some variable, let's say k. So x minus 2 must equal to k into 60. Now I have to think such a value of k. When I multiply that value with 60, my answer should be a 4-digit number, least 4-digit number. My answer should be the least 4-digit number. Okay, so guys, if we do this, so see, now if you assume x k to be equal to 70, so over here you will get a result which is the smallest 4-digit number that I can construct here, 1020. Hence the value of x should be 1020 plus 2, which is 1022. So the answer of this question is option B. So this is the LCM way of solving this question. What else we can do here? Let's understand that as well. Now see, remainder is 2. So if option A is the right answer, then by diminishing this option by 2, the resultant should be divisible by each of these given numbers. You can see 1010 is not divisible by 3, hence option A is not the right choice. Okay, now let's talk about option B. If option B is the right choice, then if we subtract 2 from it, why? Because remainder obtained is 2, so the final value obtained must be divisible by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6. See, this number is divisible by 3. Why? Because sum of its digit is divisible by 3. This number will definitely be divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits of 1020 are 20 and that are divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 5 also. Why? Because this number is ending with 0. And this number is divisible by 6. Why? Because this number is divisible by 3 as well as by 2. Hence, the right choice is option B. I hope class, this logic is clear to everyone. So this is it for the day. Thank you so much.